Today I want to do a follow-up with everyone about the modern Spartan systems after I've been using them a while. As everyone remembers, I treated this Glock barrel with the accuracy oil and finished running 50 rounds through it. Since then I've taken it back and run 50 more. It definitely makes a difference on the cleanup time for it, for sure. It takes half, maybe just a third of the time to clean it up. I've been so impressed with these, I've become an affiliate. Can't say enough good things about these. And the lens cleaner, as I told everyone before, I've used it on the lens of all my weapon lights and my flashlights, and it keeps them clean. There was not any carbon on it last time I cleaned it. And now we're going to talk for a minute about the blade. If everyone remembers, this is the knife that I coated the blade with the first time and had to leave it for about an hour. I want everyone to see how slick this is. Will not even stay on there at all. And this is another knife treated the same way. But I'm going to show you exactly how well this product works with this blueberry. I don't think you can get too much thinner. This is a fine profile blade. Now we're going to go up to this blade. As you can see, this cuts fine, even with the width of this blade. Super impressed with this product. It really makes it clean up easy on the knife too. Now we're going to have a few words on all of it. Now I believe everyone can see the results that can be obtained using these products, and you can understand why I like them so well. And I encourage everyone, go to Modern Spartan's website and order some. Like and subscribe. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. There's also a discount in the bottom of the description box on this video for all the Spartan products. Till next time, tell all your friends and hit the notification bell.